Hello and welcome to Sweet Mother News. I'm Oma. Tonight's top story is an exclusive one. The annual general meeting of the Igbo women in Nigeria, popularly called August Meeting, has met massive challenges this year. In the past, this meeting, attended by Igbo women from far and wide, within and out of the country, was under siege when most of the women were accused of intimidating other women by their expensive attires, shoes, handbags, and other accessories. This resulted in a decline in attendance. However, this issue was addressed and women were instructed to wear just one type of uniform to promote equality and togetherness. This resulted in an increase in attendance once again. However, this year, with COVID-19 pandemic that has affected thousands and millions of human activity, did not leave August meeting out. It has also affected August meeting this year in Nigeria. We speak with three women who would share with us challenges faced by Igbo women with regards their August meeting this year and how these challenges has affected them personally. I like attending August meetings because it gives me time to rest from my business, rest from children matters, rest from husband matters, rest from the people that are owing me, rest from me that is even owing other people. I also like August meeting because it gives me the opportunity to meet other women that I haven't seen in a long time. And we chat, we talk about important issues like things going on in our community, things going on that we need to improve in our church projects, or even, family matters, that kind of hot gist. So I like August meeting, but this year, COVID-19 has spoiled everything. We are not meeting. Even the social distancing, we are not even allowed to do that. They said it's safer not to even gather at all, which is okay, but I am flabbergasted, I'm dumbfounded, I'm dismayed, I'm appalled, I'm shocked about the whole thing. And I pray that this year is the end of COVID-19 for all of us in Jesus' name. Amen. My name is Joy Okafor, but people call me Nwachinemelo. Yes. COVID-19 is not the only challenge we women are facing in Nigeria this year. Can you believe it? Our parish leader was coming down to the east from Abuja to come and discuss certain issues so that we know whether we are going to have the August meeting or not. Can you believe it? She was kidnapped. When they informed us, we were calling, what is it they want? What is it these evil men want? What is it these evil people do? Because we are not even sure, men, women, who are they, but we just know they are all evil. How much do you need? How much do you need? So that you can release our parish leader. What kind of thing is this? Somebody that left her children all the way in Abuja and made her way down to the east. It's another story. So we are calling, how much is it you need so that you can release our parish leader? They say they don't want money. So why are you holding her? Somebody now said they want jollof rice and a gari and egusi soup when we are coming to pick her. Another person on the background said, tell them to put Omo meat inside. Can you imagine? So COVID-19 is not the only problem we are facing in Nigeria, especially people that have to travel to the east. It's not COVID-19. It is poverty. It is hunger. It is unemployment among young people. Otherwise, why would you hold somebody that is old enough to be somebody's grandmother and say it's jollof rice you need and gari and egusi soup with momo? When COVID-19 finishes, will this problem of hunger finish? Will this problem of unemployment finish? Have you seen? So we are calling on the government, we are calling on the leaders. I hope they can watch this thing. We are calling on our leaders to help solve this problem because it's affecting everybody. Man, woman, educated, uneducated, rich, poor, tall, short, everybody. We want to be free to travel. We want to be free to move around. Are we going to all run away from our country? Please, if you're a leader and you're watching this news, please, we want to be able to move around without fear. We women want to be able to move around without fear. We want our children to be able to move around without fear. Thank you. My name is Elizabeth, but people call me Obidia. Thank you for inviting me to this wonderful... Hey, NEPA has disgraced me. Senor the generator. Fuel Adiro. Oh my God. Oh no. Hi. The only opportunity I have to be on TV. We apologize for that technical glitch, but yes, this is a massive challenge faced by Nigerians living in Nigeria, even in 2020. We'll be right back after the break. We provided a standby generator for the lady. There was no petrol. I hope you're not recording. Please cut. Please cut.